Types of verb in English with examples. See, over here you can clearly see the chart, and here we have the diagram of how we can divide verbs or action words into branches. We have finite verbs, non-finite verbs, action verb, helping verb, linking verb, regular verb, irregular verb. Now, based on this, we will study all these types of verbs. Before that, we are going to talk about certain things like stative verbs, participle forms, and gerund form. What is this gerund form? The gerund is a verb form which is ending in ing. So it's basically the continuous form or the progressive form of the verbs, which is also called the gerund verb or gerund form of the verb. So it functions as a noun, okay, representing an action or activity. For instance, in the sentence, swimming is my favorite hobby. So over here, swimming is a noun and not a verb, because here swimming is it's a noun. It's a noun because here someone is saying that swimming is my favorite hobby. So it's a noun. Swimming is a gerund over here, acting as the subject in the sentence. Now, we all know a sentence has three parts: subject, verb, object. Sorry, subject, verb, object. That makes a sentence. So, yes, we have the subject, then the verb, then the object. So, that is how a sentence is formed. So yeah, here swimming is a gerund and it's acting as the subject. Coming to the participle forms, participles are verb forms used in various tenses. There are two types of participles. First is the present participle, which is ending in continuous form, that is ing, like walking, singing. And of course, the second is the past participle, like which is ending with ed, that is walked, written, and with of course in past tense, past participles, written, ed, or like walked and all those things. Participles are used in conjunction with auxiliary verbs to create different tenses, like present perfect tense, like I have walked, or past tense, like she had sung. Okay, so there are different forms of past participle uh, verbs. Then let us move over to stative verbs. Unlike action verbs, stative verbs refer to conditions or states of being. Like generally speaking, we can talk about certain like feelings of love, happiness, opinions, beliefs, emotions. All these would come under stative verbs. Like there is a list of stative verbs given, like love, want, own, have, resemble. So all these are stative verbs. Now, here some stative verbs are used in a sentence also. Like there are examples: the mansion has 5 bathrooms. Ali loves her younger sisters. My car needs an oil change. Okay, so these are some of this. Yeah, we are going to keep this video till here today. The actual discussions on the different types of verbs will be done in the other videos, so do follow us for all those explanations. Thank you for being with me till the end. If you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams, then we are there to help you out. For that, you need to check the description box below. You will get all the details. Let's meet again in the next videos.